Hi, my name is Elle and I work on the marketing team here at PropertyBox. Today, I'm going to be talking you through how to use our AI descriptions feature. So this is a super quick, super simple way to cut down the time that you spend writing property descriptions. So let's jump in and get started. So as always, we're starting in our workspace and we want to select the property that we want to create a description for. Toggle across the top to get to the AI descriptions button. As you can see, I've actually already generated a property description for this property, but I can just click up here and click start over and it will take me back to that initial screen. What we need to do here is just to enter in a few kind of basic details about the property. So my property is for sale. It has 2 bedrooms, it has 2 bathrooms, and it has a kitchen. It's detached. It's a house. What else is relevant to this? I think that will pretty much do for the time being. So we'll just click continue. Here we've just got to fill out a little bit more information, just a little bit more in depth to kind of flesh out that property description that the AI is going to generate for us. So property condition and furnishing, it's going to be unfurnished and it's in good condition. EPC rating is a B and the council tax is band C. And then let's look at what other details we can add to this property. So the property location is nearby schools. It's got green spaces. It's quite an urban area. Okay, so here we can enter any unique elements of the property. So it's got a garage, it's got parking, it's got a garden. It also has a barbecue area. And this also has a garden shed. So let's click in there and add that. And then we're just going to hit confirm selection. Ideal and suitable for families and couples. Confirm selection. Bedroom 1 is a double and it's spacious. Bedroom 2 is also a double and it is also spacious and it has some built-in wardrobes. Bathroom 1, so we've got a small bathroom. It's got a heated towel rail and I think that's pretty much it for that one. Bathroom number 2 is large with a freestanding bath and a heated towel rail. And our kitchen is got modern appliances, it's got lots of natural light, and it has been recently refurbished. Fantastic. So here we have a space that we can enter any extra details about the property that kind of haven't been covered here. So I might want to say that there's no need for any work, friendly and social neighborhood. If we're thinking about families, people that kind of want an easy property to buy, they want somewhere they're going to integrate well into, that they're not going to have to do a huge amount of work on. Just thinking about our audience and what might be appealing to them. Great, we can now enter our description length. We advise around 250, but you can make that shorter or longer if you need to. Tone of voice, again, thinking about your target audience. If I'm going for a kind of family home, I might say that I want a friendly tone of voice. And we're going to stick with English. And then we just click generate description. It takes barely any time whatsoever. So there you go, it's generated our description in about 15 seconds. This is a good building block. You can kind of tweak it a little bit to make it sound a bit more like you, to make it sound like your agency's tone of voice, move around any little details you might want to. I'm going to say that I'm pretty happy with this for the time being. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm description. And then you'll see it will also generate the key features. So that's saving you the time of pulling out those key features and creating a bullet list from them. And it will also create a summary that you could use at the beginning of your description. So you've got 3 segments. You've got your full length description, you've got your benefits and key features, and you've also got your summary. And you can just go in here and copy those to your clipboard. And that's it, that's your description generated. As I showed you at the beginning, you can go up here and click start over if you wanted to enter some different types of information, some more information. But if you're happy to go, then that is your property description done in basically 2-3 minutes. And it probably saves you about half an hour of your time. So that was how to use the PropertyBox AI description feature. I hope you found it useful. As always, if you have any questions about the platform, just reach out to us via the contact details on our site.